To use the runaround hose, simply walk the reel back to the crippled car and secure it to the inside ladder or other suitable structure. Walk the glad hand back to the other end of the car, allowing the hose to feed off of the reel. Attach the glad hand to the train line hose, and then walk back to the other end of the car, securing the hose to the side of the car with the hose hangers provided. Remove the balance of the hose from the reel and attach the glad hand to the train line hose. Secure the balance of the hose to the car, leaving ample slack. Open the cutout cocks on the two adjoining cars to pressurize, and the train is now ready to continue to the next yard where it can be cut out for repair. When using the runaround hose on cars shorter than 89 feet in length, you will not need to use all 105 feet of hose. Loosely wind the excess hose clockwise on the reel as shown. Then, re-secure the bungee retaining cords to keep the hose on the reel as it's pressurized.